It's a 1970 GT500. This is a real fancy one. And as it turns out, Ron and Lauren owned this car in 1971. And then it went away for 50 years. And he got it back 10 years ago. Maybe it's only 40 years. As you can see, I'm in kind of tight quarters. This car is a beauty, and it has factory AC, which is fairly cool, especially in a convertible. AM/FM, of course. Pretty much has all the features that a 70 Shelby could have. I'll open the hood here so you can see. You can see it's Cobra Jet. About the only thing it lacks is a drag pack, but if it was a drag pack it couldn't have AC. So, and it's still got the original Polygloss GT tires, probably reproduction, but nonetheless. And it sits really nice. 70 was just like a 69, except for 70 had the spoiler on the front and also had the black stripes on the hood, and 69 did not. As a matter of fact, 70s were holdover for 69s, so 70 Shelbys were the only ones that don't have a locking ignition column. 70 Shelbys do not.